Hello kids, we are learn vegetable names.
Lady finger. Lady finger means bhindi.
Mint. Mint means podina. Brinjal. Brinjal means dragon. Pumpkin. Pumpkin means petha.
Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd means karela. Capsicum means shimla mirch. Spinach. Spinach means palak. Peas means matar. Matar. Onion. Onion means pyaz. Green onion. Green onion, hari pyaz. Carrot. Carrot. Carrots mean gajar. Zucchini. Zucchini means turai. Cabbage. Cabbage means band gobi. Band gobi. Potato. Potato means aloo. Corn. Corn means bhutta. Celery. Celery means ajwain. Broccoli. Broccoli means sabz gobi. Radish. Radish. Radish means mooli. Ginger. Ginger means adrak. Turnip. Turnip means shaljam. Green chili. Green chili means hari mirch. Garlic. Garlic means लहसुन. Cauliflower. Cauliflower, फूल गोभी. Tomato. Tomato means tomato. Apple gourd means tinde. Coriander. Coriander means hara dhania. Mushroom means khambi. Beetroot. Beetroot means chukandar. Lemon. Lemon means limu.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.